If Rudy Gobert shoots a 3 at pumasok, the video ends. And to be honest, nakakatawa talaga tong challenge na ito kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman na wala pang napasok na tres si Rudy Gobert sa entire career niya sa NBA. So ngayon, i-change natin yan kasi si Rudy Gobert ay titira na ng pinakauna niyang 3-point shot at sana pumasok siya. Here we go. Ito na yung man of the hour natin. Okay? Kailangan natin ng coating space. Nice screen. Gobert for 3. Yeah, this is gonna be a brick fest. Here we go. Rudy Gobert versus Victor Wembanyama. Tumiyo ng 3. Oh my God. This is gonna take a while, to be honest. Mas mahirap pa ito kaysa sa tumiyo tayo ng 3 gamit si Shaq. Here we go. Third time sa charm. Tignan nyo. Oh. Third time sa charm. Oh my God. Bro, ayusin mo yung ano mo, tira mo. At saka yung timing mo. Okay, ang bagal niya din dito, sa totoo lang. Gobert for 3. Oh my God, very late. Airball pa. Ayos. Here we go. Fourth time is a charm. Timing natin to. Oh my God. Oh, shit. Slightly early. This is gonna be impossible. Wala pa siyang napasok kahit isang tres sa entire NBA career niya. Pero ngayon, let's change that. 4-3, Rudy Gobert.
That's an air ball.
What the fuck was that? For the fourth time, Defensive Player of the Year, go MVP mode with his 3-point shot. Oh my God, bro. Tumiyo ng tres. Well, at least hindi siya airball. Here comes Gobert. Gobert, 0 for 8. Wow. Oh my God. Bro, ayusin mo naman. Putik ka. Oh, excellent release. Oh my God, bro. This is gonna be impossible, bro. Here we go. Gobert. Malas talaga. Come on, Gobert. Gobert. Oh my God! Holy shit! That's shitty. Bro, this is gonna be impossible, bro. This is gonna be impossible. Tignan nyo. Oh my God! Those releases sucks. Oh, step back. Tignan nyo. Sayang. Again. Wide open yan, ha? Wide open yan. Wide open yan. Tangina. Hindi pa yun papasok, guys. Imposible ito. We are getting cooked. Oh my God! Pag ginawa mo talaga yan, Rudy Gobert, sa totoong buhay, malamang bangko ka na for the rest of the game. Come on! Come on! Kaya natin to! Malapit na matapos! Excellent release! Oh my God! Wow! Rudy! Come on, Rudy! Rudy! Last shot! Last shot! Buzzer beater!
Nope.
Never mind! Never freaking mind! Natapos na yung first quarter at wala pa tayong natirang tres gamit si Rudy Gobert. Oh my God. Second quarter. This time, seryoso na tayo. Excellent release. Jesus Christ!
Son of a bitch!
Rudy. Come on, Rudy. Rudy, come on, Rudy. Four-time Defensive Player of the Year for 3. Oh, shit. Oh! Rebound. Another try. Rebound nyo! Putek. Hindi ko na gets, guys. Hindi ko na kaya, guys. Hindi ko na kaya. No, this will never end. This will never end. This will never end. Rudy Gobert. Rudy. Tumiyan ng tres. Bang! Hallelujah! Putang ina, 1 for 22.